Guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Vlad and today I would like to present you one of my go-karts. This is the heavy 666 Fireball go-kart. Guess what ninja's element is fire? Of course, Kai. This is Kai's go-kart. Some of the colors do not match, like black and those gray pieces and the black here. Those don't really match, but the white can match a little bit. Orange, yellow and red are the main colors. It's very big. Bigger than the original go-kart I reviewed. The last go-kart I reviewed and the first one. You can see here I left fire and red cloths on the sides to make Kai's detail. This is from Artifacts Creation Channel 2 on YouTube. I don't know why they came with this bar in the front. I don't have all the colors, but I tried to make everything what I could to make everything just right. Tires don't really match, but it is what it is. The engine, very nice. And as you all know what I did on the last car, I made a review. I don't know if this is going to be the same long episode like the other one, the other go-kart, but I want you to, if you like it, you can just follow the instructions I give you right now. Okay, first all the go-karts what have are going to need 4 of those pieces. Okay, first take off the front, like I did on the last go-kart, then the back, this, and after that it's here. Okay, I'll show you how to make those 4 pieces, so you'll see how to make okay, those are the pieces you need to use. First, you put one of these pieces here. After that, you try to, you put this one here. After, you put this orange piece here, 1x3 piece here. I don't know if I used a lot of black pieces. I don't know if it's okay, but I still like it. Put another piece here. Now you put a holding piece here, then put the claw. After you put those pieces, the black will not be visible anymore. I'll show you. Very little black will be able to be seen. You can see right now it's almost. And when you see look at this, it's it's not a lot of black to be seen. Almost no black. Make 2 of these. Then you put 2x6 piece like the other go-kart. All those go-karts have a piece like this and 4 of these. Now you are going to put one of those here, just in case. After that you put one tire piece here, then put another one. They are not coupled up, but after that you put two 1x3 pieces here, 3 gray pieces that look like this. After that you put two studs, not studs, 1x1 pieces, another piece, 1x2 piece what can hold things in it. After that you put something on top of it, holding piece. After that you are going to repeat. I'm going to take this on side and show you. You'll need here to make like repeat the same on all the pieces. Okay, so here it is. You're going to repeat this step on all those pieces. And on the last one you put a stud here where the smoke is coming out. Put all those together to form a kind of engine, and here you go. After the engine is secured there, you put another fire here. That's how it looks like fireball. Now I'm going to show you how to make the front. Another piece. I couldn't use the same wheels because I didn't have all what should match together. Now I'm going to put another holding piece here, what should hold the bar I mentioned. After that you will put the chair here. 1x2 piece what can transform in 1x1 piece. You can put on top of it. After that you're ready to make the steering wheel. Here you go. Okay, so here it is. I'll take pieces. As I mentioned in the last episode, key and steering wheel. Heel piece, yellow. Two mini heel, not mini, 1x2 heel pieces, 1x3 piece, steering wheel and key, and 2 of those. Now it's time to make. You take this here, put those 2 heel pieces to go with the front. Put a piece here, and after that you put the key to hold steering wheel. After that, here you go. Take this piece off and put to go with the other piece. Be careful not to put it in the middle because you need to put it at top. So the other pieces on the steering wheel could hold on to it. And here it is. Heavy 666 fireball go-kart. This is Kai's. So just a second. I've got him right here. Prepared. Wait, I did the wrong minifigure. And here he is, Kai himself, the red ninja and fire ninja. his legs don't cannot stretch really well. It jumped off, but no problem. You can have another tour of how to put it. Okay, here it is. That's how it looks from there. Put his hands down. Here he is with his fireball go-kart. Sorry, not go-kart. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like or share the videos if you like. Please check out more videos and see you later, friends.